Man, Rod's Multifamily Bootcamp was amazing, man. Like, you can't put a price on the value we received this weekend.
Before I got here, I was just sort of dabbling into it. I knew I was interested in it, but after listening in, after day one, I was able to actually get into contract with 2 deals, 5 doors, duplex and a triplex. Now, my wife and I are on the same page, but Rod provided that whole inspiration where taking massive action, and I was able to do it. And I had the support network here to do it as well. I was able to make the true value of coming to this boot camp is actually networking and being around so many like-minded individuals, and it's such a supportive network.
This is hands down the best event in the world, and the amount of value that Rod Khleif provides is just unlike anything I've ever seen. I've been to a ton of seminars throughout my life, and his level of care and passion for his people at this event is just unlike no other. He just has this thing inside of him that tells him he has to add value over everything else. He doesn't care about the money and all that. He cares about you and providing value to your life.
Rod's teaching style is not the average real estate investor or teacher because he focuses on motivating actions to get you to do the work, and he preaches that 20% of the work is going to get you 80% of the results.
So he provided a lot of great tools. I love all his topics about psychology. I think a lot of people, they fear about taking action, and that holds a lot of people back. But those tips definitely helps me and everyone else.
Yeah, there are so many different tools that I did learn from this conference, and a lot of it was how to create a syndicate, how to structure deals. Like, I want to make sure that I get the legal foundations correct, that I don't just go in head on, finding these great deals, but then crashing and burning. I don't want to do that. I mean, I want to be able to keep my close friends. I want to be able to make bigger and better deals in the future. So coming here established the foundational blocks for ensuring success in the future.
I got a lot of value from just learning the scripts. He put together a sample packet that shows us how to make our deals and about syndication and how to put together and present to your investors.
As I met a broker down in San Diego, I met these buyers who are looking into investing in San Diego, and I'm a contractor myself, so we can buy the deal, invest in the deal, and build the deal with the 3 people that I met this weekend. So how cool is that?
This event helped me in my investing career. Well, yesterday morning I actually got my first deal under contract while I was here at the boot camp. So that, just taking massive action, man. And, when I get home, I'm going through the due diligence process, and we're going to secure the property at the end of the month.
There's only one Rod Khleif, and his level of expertise in this field is unbelievable. Plus, on top of that, he's very transparent and vulnerable, and he shares his failures, and he calls them seminars and laughs about them, but the way he engages with the crowd and how he opens up and says, look at my wounds and look at my mistakes, here's how you can learn, so don't do this, right? It was pretty amazing.
And I was just amazed at the energy that he had during each of the sessions, and not to mention, I upgraded my membership, and I was glad I did because I was able to have the lunch, the cocktail hours, and Rod was there at every single one of them, sat down, and he's such a down-to-earth individual, totally genuine guy, and I was able to get great advice. I was able to just ask him questions one-on-one, and that's truly an invaluable experience.
There were seriously successful people in this room. I mean, I met multiple people with hundreds of units, some even upwards of 1,000 units in this room, and they're really doing investing at a higher level. So 100% you need to come to this event. If you're even interested in real estate investing, you've got to be here.
It's more than just learning. You're making connections for a lifetime. I've met so many people here that I'm going to be doing deals with very soon.
You should come to the Multifamily Bootcamp if you want to be a success in this business. If you want to get free of the rat race and the hamster wheel of life, build something that's going to last for a long time, something to pass on to your kids, you'll learn how to do that here.